Now we come with a nice little light pour. Chocolate covered cherry Jello shots. Begins with chocolate. We need to melt some chocolate down, homeboy. Okay, that's enough. Let's get these in the microwave. Got my chocolate lit. Put it in there. Close up. Okay, guys, look at that gooey goodness. That's goodness right now. Oh yeah, chocolate's back. Now let's get painting, homeboy. So I just drop in a little bit. Good when you do a little dollop and then do a nice little swirl. The thing with this is though, it can be thinner at the top, you know, so you have to take that into consideration. All right, so we can put this aside, let this harden. You can put it in the fridge if you want it to work faster. Let's get on to our Jello. We start with our water, boiling hot water. Beautiful right there, that's 8 ounces. Now we come behind with our Jello. This is cherry Jello, but you could use whatever color you want, whatever flavor you want, okay? So we get our Jello in there. And to get this mixed in, I can just use this right here. This is a mini whisk. A lot of y'all ask me where we get the tools from. Where you think it come from? Amazon, everything come from Amazon, okay? We can let this cool down, then I can add some booze. Now guys, this is kind of cool. We can come in with some Putin juice. Not too much, just enough to make it delicious. Okay guys, so now we come with a nice little light pour. You want to leave a little bit of space. I'm putting too much in for sure. Now I can put these in the fridge and let it harden. Oh yeah. Where's my baby? Oh, here's my baby. Look at her, look at her. Here's my girl. Hey, 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 look who's back. Okay, guys, now you want to gently pop these out. Okay? And you can put some, you can put them up like that. And there you have it, chocolate covered Jello shots. Look at these, huh? Chocolate on the outside, Jello on the inside. You just slip it in, it's a nice little bite because it's dainty, because you get to put it in and then do that little push, you know, like when people, okay? I always do that to be cute. You know, sometimes, you know, I see someone staring at me and they really stare at that point. And I think that's because they like me more or they think I need a straight jacket. It go either way, okay? You never know. All right, anyway, drink responsibly. Is this drinking? Eat responsibly. Don't eat and drive, don't drink and drive. Look, just don't take in any alcohol and jump in a vehicle and be responsible, okay? What the hell wrong with you? Stay tipsy.